This video will show you how to reverse a Model 97 headgate so that it can be operated from the opposite side. You'll need two 15/16 tools, like a socket ratchet and a wrench, a 3/4 inch tool, and a crescent wrench. First, use your 15/16 tools to remove the bolt securing the headgate pivot arm through the lifting tabs on the lockbox. Next, remove the special bolt on top of the headgate handle using the crescent wrench and your 3/4 inch wrench. Now, use your 3/4 inch tool to remove the bolt from the lock bar above the lockbox. Finally, remove the 4 bolts in the lockbox using your 3/4 inch tool. Take the lockbox to the other side of the headgate and attach it to the lockbox plate using the 4 bolts that you just removed. Make sure the lifting tabs are pointing toward the back of the headgate. Tighten the 4 bolts firmly with your 3/4 inch tool. Now, lift the lifting tabs up to adjust the lock bar so that you can align the bolt hole at the top of the lock bar to the nut welded on the headgate. Insert the bolt that you previously removed from the lock bar and tighten it firmly with your 3/4 inch tool. Now, reattach the headgate handle to the same side that you just attached the lockbox to. Begin with the red gripper handle pointed down. Align the bolt hole in the top of the handle with the bolt hole at the top of the headgate lifting arm. Replace the special bolt through the aligned holes and use your crescent wrench and 3/4 inch tool to tighten. Now, place the pivot arm in between the lifting tabs on the lockbox and align the bolt holes. Insert the bolt that you removed earlier through the lifting tabs and the pivot arm. Use your 15/16 tools to tighten this bolt into place. Remember that this is a pivot point, so don't over-tighten this bolt. You have now successfully reversed the Model 97 headgate and it's ready for use. If you have any questions about your product, please give us a call at 1-800-527-8616 or visit us on the web at Priefert.com. Priefert, America's #1 name in farm, ranch, and rodeo equipment.